I'm Rachel and I've attended Ben's Masterclass on match betting. I've gained a lot from this experience. I was confident on the sign-up offers anyway, but what I have gained is a wide knowledge on casinos and the affiliate side of marketing. From this, I plan to leave my job actually and take this on as a full-time thing. I definitely recommend this course and I hope you will also enjoy it.
CJ, I found Ben's Masterclass really beneficial. It's nice to be surrounded by like-minded people. I'd highly recommend it for anybody that wants to get involved in match betting and earning some tax-free cash. It's not a hoax, you know, it's actually real that people can do this and live the laptop lifestyle and get them in the mindset of doing things a little bit differently from others. So yeah, I would highly recommend it.
Hi, yeah, so I've been at the match betting masterclass and it's the first in the country, so it's great to be part of history in that respect, and I'm sure there'll be more coming up, and to be at the first one is really good information, well presented, as in like it's getting started, ongoing offers, which is really important because I've tried it before and like, you know, you run out of offers. So ongoing offers, daily offers, weekly offers, websites to go to use, and even promoting other people for it. So it's really good information, not hard sell like some seminars that you go to.
Hi there, this is Steve Hall, and I just wanted to record this video to tell you that I attended Ben's match betting masterclass about a week or so ago, and since then I have made, just looking at my profit tracker, £204. I've never made a bet in my entire life before, never been into a bookmaker's, had no idea how to do this. Ben took me through everything. It was surprisingly easy to understand, having never done this before. I was pretty skeptical, you know, making money from betting sounded a bit bizarre to me, but as I say, Ben explained it all. It was yeah, pretty easy to understand, and I've done it several times over the past week. It's only taken me about sort of 10-15 minutes each time to do. As I said, so far I've made about £204, and yeah, I've still got some of the sign-up offers to do, so there's still a fair amount left to pull out of this, as well as the I think they have like weekly and daily offers. I've done a few of those. I've now betted on lots of football events and one horse race, I think. Again, I'm not really into football, if I'm honest. I don't really know much about the teams or the players, but you don't really need to. Actually, all of the tools that are provided, it's really easy. You can just sort the list and it shows you exactly what you should bet on, exactly what to do on each of the websites to do it. As I say, it's only taken me sort of 10-15 minutes each time, and it seems to be getting quicker each time as I get used to it. Yeah, so yeah, I can't say enough good things about it, really. I'm telling pretty much everyone I know. It's really why I thought I'd make this video. So I would highly recommend it. It's free money. I get that people are probably skeptical. I was as well, but you know, the first time I did it took me a little bit longer, and I was, you know, kind of nervous, thinking, is this really true? But you know, I trusted in Ben's advice, just followed his steps, and first time I did it, I think I made, you know, £10-15, and then just again followed his steps, logged into the Odds Monkey website, the tool that he recommends, and it's surprisingly simple. So yeah, I would say give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. It really is guaranteed money. So yeah. I've been having fun with it for the past week, so I hope you do too. Okay, cheers.